Hi there, we're gonna make gingerbread houses today. So go ahead and get a piece of paper, some coloring tools, and a pencil to draw with. I'm gonna draw with a black marker so you can see what I'm drawing on the camera, okay? So we're gonna start out together drawing some of the same shapes, and then once we get down to the details of our gingerbread houses, you can make up all your own designs. But we're gonna start with the same shape of the house for our gingerbread house. And we're gonna be thinking about all the shapes that we've been learning in preschool. Okay, so what I want you to do is start by drawing a diagonal line up and then a diagonal line down, just like we are getting ready to make a triangle. But instead of connecting it, I want you to make another diagonal line right above it, going up, and at the top it kind of curves and comes back down and follows the line. And then at the bottom of these, I want you to connect them with a curved line on both sides. And now we've created a shape. Okay, that's the roof, and that's the big pile of snow on our roof. Now we're gonna start building the bottom part of our house. So I want you to draw a vertical line down from the corner of your snow shape and another vertical line down. And then I want you to connect those with a horizontal line to make the bottom of the house. All right, from there, you can add any kind of door you want on the front. Maybe you want a rectangular shaped door. Maybe you want a short door that opens with two doors. Maybe you just want a simple door with a round top, almost like a semicircle or a semi-oval is what we might call that. So that's the shape I'm gonna make. I'm gonna mirror that shape again on the outside, follow it around, and stop there. Then I'm gonna add a doorknob. Over here, I'm gonna add a window. I'm gonna draw today, I'm feeling like I want my windows to be circular. You could do square windows, you could do rectangular shaped windows, or even triangle windows if that's what you're feeling. But I'm gonna make mine circle windows. I'm also gonna follow that same shape again on the outside and make a little bit bigger of a circle going around the outside of my window. And then I'm going to draw what we call a window pane in the middle of my windows. It divides the window up and down and side to side. It kind of helps hold the glass in place. A vertical line and a horizontal line. I think I even want to put a little square shaped window on my door. You don't have to, but you can if you want to. Now we can start adding some decorative details. You've seen in the slides some examples of different kind of candy designs that you can add to your gingerbread house. So feel free to start decorating with all different kinds. I'm gonna go ahead and add a few details on mine. You're welcome to follow along or do your own. I'm gonna do a candy heart shape at the top. I'm also gonna outline that one more time above the door. Oh, I would really like for my house to have a chimney. So I'm gonna draw a straight line up off the roof, another line next to it, connect that straight across, and I think I'm gonna draw kind of a rectangular shape on the top, so there's snow piled up on top of my chimney. All right, now I wanna add some candy details. So I'm gonna turn this shape, this U shape, upside down U shape, into what looks kind of like a peppermint stripe, where it goes red, white, and I'm doing that by drawing lines and filling that in. I'm also gonna add some peppermint stripes on the sides of my house. And I think I want those to be little diagonal stripes. So when I color them, I'll do a color pattern, red, white, red, white. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Just like that. Now I know gumdrops which is a sugary, squishy candy that gets stuck in your teeth, is used a lot when decorating gingerbread houses. So they're like little dots or circles when you look at them. So I'm going to draw some gumdrop shapes to decorate my roof line, just to add some fun, different colors when I get to color in my gingerbread house. Just like that. I think I'm going to add some gumdrops down here too. Like that. I might even add a front sidewalk, a diagonal line coming off of the door, and then on the other side, another diagonal line. So now it looks like a walkway leading up to the door. How about I add some more gumdrops along the sidewalk? Okay, now my gingerbread house looks like it's floating in the air, so we might have to add the ground or some snow piles, but before I do that, I want to add some other candy to the background before I draw in my horizon line. So to do that, I think I want to draw over here a candy cane shape, which starts with a straight line, curves, just a little horizontal line over, and comes back around and follows that shape. And candy canes are striped. It can be a peppermint stripe, which is red, white, or it could be a rainbow colored candy cane, or any other pattern that you would like for it to be. Then over here, I'm feeling like I want to draw a different kind of candy, but something to fill all this blank space on the sides. So I'm going to start with a tall, skinny stick, and then on the top, I'm going to draw a big circle. I'm going to connect that shape here at the bottom, and I'm going to draw a spiral in the middle, going all the way out to the outer edge of my circle. So I'm going to start in the center, and I'm going to turn my line around and around till I get all the way out. And now I've made a candy sucker in the yard of my gingerbread house. Now I think I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to draw the horizon line. That's the line that goes side to side. And notice that I didn't cross over top of my candy cane. I want it to go behind, so it looks like it's really far away. And then I'm going to come all the way over here, and I'm going to draw that same line, and then I'm going to stop, and then I'm going to draw it again to the edge of my paper. This will help show the ground separated from the sky. So make sure you draw a horizon line in there. You can add other kinds of candy details. Have fun adding all those details, and then we're going to be ready for color.